Hello viewers, today we're going to be doing the initial checkout of these Uniden telephones. This is a model 1588 and this has the 3 different color handsets. Actually, I think there is another variation of this set that has different color handsets. They're like more faded, I don't know how to this pale, that's what it is. They're more pale colors. But anyways, let's see here what the ringtones are set as. That one's on flicker. Let's put this one on something else.
Answering system is off.
Okay, actually we'll leave a message, so we'll turn this back
Answering
on.
system is off. Hello, no one is available to take.
Okay, and I'll change this to 2 rings. Oops. This is a very counterintuitive design, because you would think that the center button, which is above, right in the middle of the navigation arrows, you'd think that would select it, but it doesn't. It's this play stop button. Play stop button should have been over there, and then select should have been over there, but it's a different story, I guess. Okay. So now I will call the telephones and we'll leave a message. Oh, actually, let's turn the call screen off too. Okay.
Hello, no one is available to take your call. Please leave a message after the tone.
Hello, this is a test message to make sure the answering thing works. The camera battery is running out again. I think my camera batteries are starting to spoil because they're not lasting nearly as long as they used to. Goodbye.
One message. Hello, this is a test message to make sure the answering thing works. The camera battery is running out again.
Okay, that seems to record just fine. So now I will call the test phone.
Please redial the number with the prefix.
You know what? You're a prefix. I don't understand why, if they know it needs a 1, why can't they just add it? I can't imagine what happened to this telephone. I mean, I've used these phones for, oh jeez. I've used these phones for years, and I mean, I don't beat on them, but I use them a lot. And I've never had something like this happen. This is crazy. Well, anyways, let's see if it still works. It probably still works just fine. Yep, it appears to work just fine. And it sounds good still. Testing. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Checking, 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 checking. Testing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Feedback seems to be worse than usual right now. Okay. Jeez. Good golly, this is crazy. Hello? That seems to work. Check 1, 2. That's not mute button. Test, test, test. 1, 2, 3. Feedback. Feedback. 1, 2, 3. Hello. Hello. Check. Testing. Hello. Oh, it's not so bad with this on top. I guess that's the better way to do it. Hello, hello. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Hello. Check. 1, 2. Testing, testing, testing. Greetings. 1, 2, 3. The blue phone works. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3. Hello. Does this work? It works. It works in the earpiece too. It's loud. It's up all the way. Jeez. Hello. Check. Testing. Okay, now we gotta do the bass. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is just ridiculous. Where's the mute button? One, two, three. That seems to work just fine. Hello? 1, 2, 3. Feedback. Hello? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is up loud too. This is on all the way. These people don't have very good hearing. Okay. So it looks like they all work, as far as making a call goes. Let's take a look at the buttons on here and make sure those are good too. How do you get out of this? Clear. Flash. No, let's undo the phone line here so we're not making the thing crazy.
Please play back all messages.
No.
Answering system.
Okay, that seems to work. Oh, I gotta get this other phone line plugged back in. Okay. Oh, and the battery's gone. Let's see how many we can get through. This really... 0. As it turns out, the answer was 0. Let's try that again. Oh, wonderful. Looks like this battery is out too. I wonder if I forgot to charge him up last time I used the camera. I don't know what's going on with these crazy batteries. Why would that be unavailable? Oh, because is it something on hold? That's why. Well, that's not good. This one seems to be having a connecting problem. Okay, looks like all the buttons are good on all of them. So I'm going to go ahead and refurbish these. Thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe, and out.